measurement of dielectric strength of gaseous insulating material, in which question asked in exam like explain the method of finding the dielectric strength of air using spare gap voltmeter with neat diagram as per Indian standard 2584. Also another type question, describe in detail the procedure for measurement of dielectric strength of air as per relevant IS code practice. Means breakdown in gases initiated by ionization due to collision of electrons. When field strength increases high enough, then collision take place between two electrodes and ion causes production of another electron is called as breakdown in gases. Breakdown in gases are described by two mechanisms. First one is avalanche mechanism, second is streamer mechanism. Then properties of gaseous insulating material: fine heat transfer, incombustible, chemical idleness against the construction material use, inertness, environmentally non-poisonous, small temperature of condensation, high thermal constancy, acquirable at low cost. Then application of dielectric gases used in transformer, radar wave guides, circuit breakers, switch gear, high voltage switching. They are usually used in high voltage applications. Then circuit diagram of dielectric strength of gaseous insulating material, in which single phase thermostat or auto transformer like use. Then MCB, step up transformer, that is called as high voltage transformer. Then there are two spare, uniform spare used in, then high tension spare and earth side spare. काय सारखी वाजवते मला रेकॉर्डिंग करतोय व्हिडिओ तर सारखा आवाज धाड 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 तिकडे पलीकडे लाव इकडे बाहेर नको येऊ then single phase 230 volt 50 Hz supply, phase neutral AC supply given to the primary side of the thermostat. Then thermostat vary voltage 230 volt to 270 volt, it is the primary side of the step up transformer. The main function of step up transformer is output voltage is greater than input voltage. Then MCB, that is miniature circuit breaker, used for circuit breaker are used to open switch or close switch the circuit with the help of contacts. Then circuit breaker consists of two contacts, fixed contact and moving contacts. Then secondary side of the high voltage transformer is connected to the two spare, that is high tension spare and another called as earth side spare, that is called that connected to the ground. Then in which step up transformer boost voltage 250 volt to 50 kilovolt. Then control panel used in measurement of dielectric strength of gaseous insulating material. First one is voltmeter. Voltmeter indicates breakdown voltage. Then reset button used as to restart the overall operation of the system. Then voltage controller, that is reverse direction voltage decreases and forward direction voltage is increases. Then main switch. Then high tension on, high tension off. Then main switch and mains, that is control panel of gaseous insulating material. Then title, it is measurement of dielectric strength of gaseous insulating material. Then AM, to test and understand the breakdown strength of gaseous insulating material using high voltage transformer kit. Then different gaseous insulating materials, gaseous insulating material properties, breakdown strength concept. Then precautions taking in the finding the dielectric strength of air using spare gap voltmeter with need diagram as per Indian standard 2584. Ionization of air in air gap decreases the spark over voltage, and therefore ultraviolet ionization radiation should be avoided for correct measurement. Then after testing, spare should be properly cleaned to maintain polished surface. Then no conductor or body having conducting surface shall be near to the sparking point of the high voltage spare than distance given by is 0.25 volt to 100 meter. Then time interval between consecutive flashover should be large enough to avoid appreciable heating of spare. Then prerequisites are different gaseous insulating material, gaseous insulating material properties, breakdown strength concept. Then objective to understand the high voltage transformer kit, to observe how the breakdown occurs in gases. Then theory, ensure that there is a physical contact of high voltage electrode with solid insulating material in which we are using gaseous insulating material. Then ensure that there is no sharp point at the point of connection between high voltage bushing and high voltage electrode of the test cell setup. Then ensure that test cell, that is spare cell, is properly connected to the ground. Gradually increase the voltage at appropriate rate of the 2 kilovolt per second. Note down the exact value of breakdown voltage. That is AC high voltage tester with test cell, that is spare pair test cell. Then input 220 volt to 240 volt, single phase 50 Hz. Output is 80 kilovolt. Then sample of solid material like spare electrode and gaseous insulating material like use air. Then procedure, adjust the gap between the electrodes 2.5 mm by feeler gauge. Then insert gaseous insulating material between two electrodes. Then connect the main cord to 230 volt and 50 Hz AC supply given to the auto transformer or dimmer set. Then switch on the main rocker switch S1. The mains on, the indicator lamp lights up. Then bring the motor reverse position and wait for meter indicate 0, that is 0 voltage. Then press ST is on, push button, the ST on, the indicator get lamp lights up which indicate high voltage supply to the electrode is on. Then put the motor switch in forward position. The voltage on the stage will be increases at specified speed. The voltage applied to the electrode is shown in digital voltmeter. Then note down the voltmeter reading at which breakdown of gases takes. Then again bring the motor switch in reverse position. Bring the motor in reverse position, wait for the meter to indicate 0. Then take 10 breakdown voltage reading for same gap for maintaining the time duration of 1 minute between two consecutive breakdowns. This time span is required for automated remove of carbon particles from region of electric field between electrode. Then calculate average breakdown strength. Draw the curve showing variation of breakdown voltage with reading numbers. Then next is observation tables. Observation table on breakdown voltage, breakdown strength and dielectric strength or breakdown strength. Then we have taken the reading of breakdown voltage between two electrode with gaseous insulating material. Then calculation based on average breakdown voltage between gaseous insulating material. Then breakdown voltage is kilovolt. Then breakdown strength is the ratio of breakdown voltage kV per gap distance between two electrode mm. Then breakdown strength unit is kV per mm. Then finally result table is which type of material is like gaseous material like air. Then spacing between two electrodes denoted as d mm. Then breakdown voltage kilovolt. Then breakdown strength kilovolt per mm. Okay. Then finally conclusion. Thus the breakdown strength of gases is measured using high voltage transformer kit. Then breakdown strength of gaseous dielectric material depends on various factors. First one is gap length, second one is geometry and material of electrode, then surface of uniformity and treatment of the surface, then presence of extraneous particle, gas pressure, then magnitude of applied voltage, then frequency of applied field, then chemical composition of gases. Then breakdown strength of gases widely depends on dielectric strength of material and breakdown voltage and spacing between two electrodes. Then breakdown strength concept depends on like condition, temperature, applied voltage, frequency and type of electrode, that is uniform electrode or non-uniform electrode. Then breakdown voltage concept, it is also called as striking voltage, the voltage at which electrical insulation ruptures, thereby destroying its insulating value, permitting the current flow. Then it is measured in kilovolt per mm. Its concept is very important in design of electrical equipment. It gives the maximum voltage that can be applied to the equipment. Then breakdown voltage is the characteristics of insulator that defines the maximum voltage difference that can be applied across the material before that the insulator collapse and conduct. This concept is called as breakdown voltage. The breakdown voltage of insulator is the minimum voltage that causes portion of an insulator to become electrically conductive. The breakdown voltage of material is not a definite value, it is form of failure and there is a statistical probability whether the material will fail at the given voltage. The two different breakdown voltage measure of material with AC supply and impulse breakdown voltage. The AC voltage is the line frequency of the mains and the impulse breakdown voltage is simulating in the form of lightning stroke. Then also factors affecting on breakdown voltage is very important. Nature of waveform, frequency, aging, thickness of the dielectric material, then temperature of the dielectric material, time for application of voltage, moisture content and composition of material. Also factors affecting on breakdown strength of liquid dielectric material is very important. First one is dissolved gases. Breakdown voltage is inversely proportional to the dissolved gases. Then distance between electrode, breakdown voltage is directly proportional to the distance. Dust and dirt particle, as dust and dirt particles in liquid dielectrices increases breakdown voltage and decrease the breakdown voltage concept. Moisture or water particles, this greatly decreases the breakdown voltage. Impurities, as impurities increases in liquid increases and breakdown voltage decreases. Then main part is temperature, viscosity of liquid and shape of electrode. This is the simple concept of measurement of dielectric strength of gases in insulating material.